Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Hélio Samora.
Ladies and gentlemen, in mining, time is everything. Alignment, organization, collaboration, they all depend on timing. The better your timing, the greater your productivity. The art of mining is balance, productivity, and safety. And success today depends on improving both. By taking a little of your time now, I hope we can save you a lot of time later. Good morning, and thank you all to be here. I appreciate your time. You all know the value of time saved. And at your minds, you certainly know the cost of time wasted. Wasted time for unnecessary repairs and maintenance costs you money. Delays for incidents or accidents cost you money. Poor fragmentation means delays at the mill are going to cost you a lot of money. Poor design and planning will also cost you money. Lack of fleet management affects everything, from fuel consumptions to tires. Departments and silos using different technologies from different vendors will certainly cost you a lot of money. And if you overlook slope stability and safety, it could cost you a lot more than just money. Sí, el tiempo es dinero. Time is money. In any language, in almost any business, time is money. Yesterday, we heard Ola telling us how we can get more time, means more money. Next to the bottom line, time is the single most important metric which mine measure its performance. The importance of that metric is reflected in a trend that became hard to ignore. You guys see in the screen. This is more important than a trend. We think this is the future, your future and our future. The digital. Really the transformation that the mine is passing now. But just one word can solve all our issues. Could be so simple. Let's go back to the future and see how Hollywood tackles time management. In the reality, we don't have the flux capacitor. I think it's in research and development somewhere. Some crazy guy is doing it. But in the real world, we can offer you a suggestion. Suggest you a digital strategy to build a digital mine. Let's see how we get there. Historically, mines collect only the necessary data you guys need to operate. But for productive mines looking for an edge, looking to improve its results, it doesn't work anymore. Today, the cost pressures are enormous. Cost of projects are going to millions and millions of dollars. Fuel and energy costs are volatile. A couple years ago, and we heard that also in Ola's presentation yesterday, big data was everything. It summed up what every single company was looking for. But the reality, it didn't present a solution that you can use and deploy today. So much data from every part of the mine, any process of the mine, drill hole data, fleet management data, sensors data, slope monitoring, you name it. The amount of data is gigantic. But managing this data in near or real time is essential to make your business better. The alternative you have, you already know, manual data collection, Excel reports, spare data in silos. This is inefficient and costly. So mine, and you guys know that, are faced with an array of vendors that provide point solutions. But you need more than point solutions. You need Hexagon Mining. We are putting all this together for you. Hexagon Mining was built on a long history of working closely with your operational staff. We deliver accurate and robust solutions today for your daily work. We are uniquely positioned to provide you all tools that you need to collect and analyze the data. We believe a holistic view of the mine is a foundation of a digital mine. Digital strategy delivers clarity, accuracy, and timely reporting. Digital strategy is vital to move your mine to a next level of productivity and financial performance. Without that view, cost efficiency is lost. Poor decisions can end up costing you millions of dollars, money that could be going to your bottom line. In the last Deloitte Track the Trends report, they recognize and they recommend to the mines a clear digital strategy. We believe the strategy is built on technology that embed intelligence and enable real-time visualization. That analyze the data and transform it into actionable information that you can really use to run your business. A digital strategy is key to realize your data potential. And how much that potential can be? Another report, this time from McKinsey, they sized the opportunity at 100 billion euros for coal, iron ore, and copper combined for the next 18 years. If you look at oil and gas, bigger numbers, 290 billion. So the potential and the benefits are gigantic. A digital strategy means a mine capable of reducing costs, improving safety, and increasing productivity. In short, a digital strategy, a digital mine will save you precious time. The good news is I'm not here to help you to create more data. You don't need it. Nobody needs that. I'm here to help you make sense of the data you already have. It's the reason Hexagon exists, Hexagon Mining exists. Hexagon Mining is built to connect people and processes. People faced with uncertainty in a volatile industry. Processes that are subject to geological and engineer constraints in a challenging world economy that we all know, that we are all living today. Our mission is to shape smart change by optimizing design, planning, operations for a safer and more productive mine. Our vision is to be the first company you think of when you need a problem solved. Let's break it down. We are confident we can achieve our mission and vision because of our solutions, very solid solutions. Technical help, we are confident because we can, our support and services, technical help when you need it, from a highly educated staff of mine engineers, geologists, geoscientists, civil engineers, computer science graduates, the best support in the industry. We are not the first company that tried to make sense of so much data, but we are the first mining company, vertical company to be doing this. We see a great opportunity for you to use our integrated solutions to convert to other solutions. By eliminating silos and sharing an open platform, we can help any mine of any size to be more efficient, to save time. Here is a look what we cover: planning, operations, safety, automation, slow monitoring, reporting, you name it. Nobody can match that offering. We are bringing all this together in a solid digital platform that is IoT-enabled and capable of delivering machine learning, predictive analytics, and powerful reporting capabilities. You can learn more about all this during this week's presentations and in the zone. You also hear about our underground solutions and our autonomous roadmap. You hear about the integration of all this technology and how it shapes a digital mine. But how is the digital mining helping customers today? We are not here to talk about the future only. Before I became president of Hexagon Mining, I had a long career in sales. I could stand here for hours telling you how great our solutions are, especially if it was in Portuguese. It'd be a lot easier. But I'm biased. Better we hear that from customers. Customers will tell you better. Last year, we honored Grupo Mexico in the Hexagon Shaping the Smart Change Recognition Program. The program recognized customers in their vision of the use of our technologies. This year, they invited us to visit 2 of their facilities run by Southern Peru Copper Corporation. And here's a glimpse of the visit at Cuajone and Toquepala in Peru, 2 of the biggest copper mines in the planet. You see that time is everything.
Since we got the unified software from Hexagon, like a MineSight, we have been able to make the day-to-day decisions in real time. We have been able to substantially reduce time. Here we have the load factor, which allows us to increase production by 11 million tons. So MineSight helps us determine and estimate with very good precision what we require day to day and where we are, under what parameters for production, grade, tonnage, etc. And we move to be able to supply the right amount to the concentrator. Having as many programs, accessories, or tools as possible in one single platform is very beneficial because you get integrity of information. The data is more reliable, and therefore the work one performs will have a greater level of certainty. Personally, I don't see myself in a future without MineSight, like a Jigsaw. I don't see that.
Yeah, time is money. How much money? Well, the results of the digital strategy speaks for themselves. The results are impressive. Let me share that with you. Last year, Southern Copper increased their operating performance by 90.6%. It increased net income by impressive 182.7%. It cut the operating costs per pound by 14.2%, down to 95 cents. They are today the highest margin major copper producer in the world. The results are impressive. This is how we help customers to save time and money today. But what about the future? In our next clip, we're going to show you how strategy, a clear goal, and collaboration works together. Great movie. Teamwork, strategy, risk, they saved Apollo 13. But this is relevant in mining as they are in space travel. So are science, engineering, and technology. The demands on you are always changing. That's the reason we invest more than 20% of our revenues into research and development. This is more than some competitors have as revenue. That's why we want to be your life of mine partner. Most of you know Peter Drucker, Australian management consultant. He had said, the most efficient way to reproduce anything is to bring together under one management as many as possible of the activities needed to turn out the product. We take that a step further, pursuing a digital strategy based on integration. By connecting the blocks of a digital mine, we bring the real world close to the digital world. That means a mine based on mobility, analytics, semi-autonomous, autonomous solutions, where feedback is immediate, where reconciliation is done on your terms, where complexity is removed and time is saved. Let's take safety, for example. Working together with Freeport-McMoRan, we are developing a better volumetric solutions for tailings. It's a holistic approach that integrates multiple vehicles, sensors, software, and enterprise applications. Using our UAV, we fly an entire tailings dam in an hour, capturing over 1,000 high-resolution georeference images. Our spatial modeler solution processes those georeference images and transforms into 3D point clouds. Our mining planning software uses these point clouds to conduct 1 month volumetric and depth change analysis. It also analyzes slope angle to ensure profile to comply with engineered designs. There are so many benefits to this integrated workflow. Be able to fly an entire tailings area in 1-hour flights. Large amount of data securely handled. Gigantic point clouds safely and quickly transferred to the right people. Operation and design decisions can be made quickly. The time savings are days per campaign. Another example, we are helping mines to safely monitor their slopes and underground workings. By combining our remote sensing technology and our remote surveying technology, our sensing platforms, we are creating an integrated geotechnical feedback loop from planning to operations, then back to planning. This brings monitoring information back to geologists and mine planners. They can reconcile their geotechnical predictions and mine sites with the actual geology, stability, and as-built engineering. Now, geologists and engineers are improving their safety predictions. Pit slopes can be steepened and designed to reduce stripping ratios and increase production at the mill. We are helping AngloGold Ashanti save time at Cuiabá underground mine in Brazil, my home country. By integrating high-definition laser scanning, multi-stations, geomoss, and our mining planning software, Cuiabá surveying teams can deliver survey surfaces and volume faster. They have a presentation this week. I invite you guys to attend. Grade control geologists and geotech engineers can keep up with production rates. Loss or an unplanned dilution can be prevented. This integration is happening all over the world. Happening in Mexico at Torex Meia Luna and Fresnillo La Herradura. Also at Newmont CC&V in Colorado, here in the US. Yara and Titania in Finland, just to name a few places. But no digital strategy is complete without mobility, which brings me to my first guest, Mr. Rob Down.
Thanks, Hélio. I represent the mobile arm of Hexagon Mining with a focus on production and fleet management. Now, it's important to note that some of the largest mining organisations in the world are using our mobile technology coupled with an off-the-shelf tablet to manage their equipment, their people, in fact, their whole operation in a much more flexible and agile way. Hexagon Mining scales to mines of all sizes, from quarries through to the super pits. And this technology supports the acquisition, the management, analysis and reporting of any sized operation. It streamlines data between disparate systems and integrates information across all your different departments. Now that's HR, production, finance, coming together in a single platform to provide a holistic view of how your operation is performing. This technology simplifies on-demand data interrogation, trend analysis, and reporting over live operational data. And like all Hexagon solutions, it's simple, efficient, and reliable. At Whitehaven Coal, for instance, we implemented a full fleet management system. It consisted of installing off-the-shelf tablets, training over 90 operators with a 98% uptake in the solution, and establishing live data feeds in just 2 weeks. By the 4th week, we'd configured the system to their end-of-month processes. We were having live corporate reporting working, and we'd interface with their existing ERP systems on site. And after just 6 weeks, the mine was paperless. All of this is possible with today's technology. Thank you very much. I'm floating around all week, guys, so if you want to have a catch up and have a chat about our mobile technology, please feel free.
Thank you, Rob.
Thank you.
Thank you, Rob. Also presenting this week and in the zone is my next guest, Fabian Kritter. Fabian.
Thank you, Hélio. Hello, everybody, or good morning. Yesterday, we launched our vehicle intervention system, which is an additional layer of safety on top of a collision avoidance system, also known as CAS. CAS consists of a simple display mounted on a dashboard and providing to the mining operator a 360 view around his vehicle at any speed in any condition. Provide a traffic awareness, and gives also an alarm if there is a risk of collision. CAS protects 25,000 vehicles worldwide in more than 60 mines. We know from customers, CAS save lives. But what about if the operator doesn't react properly to an alarm? We know, we are all human. We make mistakes. Well, Hexagon Mining has tackled this problem to be the first to deliver and to integrate with machines. So we can actually slow down and stop the machine if the operator doesn't react properly to an alarm. Let's have a look how it works.
Mines are under increasing demands to exploit new resources and boost productivity, while at the same time, they must ensure the health and safety of their employees. Balancing these two demands is difficult. It requires vigilance, and most importantly, the tools to neutralize vehicle collisions before they occur. Introducing Hexagon Mining's Vehicle Intervention System. The Vehicle Intervention System, or VIS, is the first system to automatically recognize imminent collisions and take control of a vehicle when an operator is unable to do so. If a collision is detected, VIS cuts the vehicle's propulsion, slows the vehicle, or activates its service brakes. Through direct integration with an existing collision avoidance system, VIS provides a crucial and highly effective last layer of accident prevention. Now you can keep your employees and equipment safe from accidents caused by blind spots, driver fatigue, vehicle size, poor visibility, high traffic, and more. In addition to the risks to employee health and safety, collisions cause mines a tremendous financial burden. Even if only one accident is prevented, the return on investment in a VIS system is significant. Increased regulations across the globe are requiring mines to implement fully automated collision avoidance systems. As a proven field-tested system, VIS is best suited to help your organization prepare for success. Safety allows no room for uncertainty. VIS delivers the peace of mind that comes from knowing you're doing everything possible to keep employees safe from harm while maximizing productivity and reducing risk. Protect what matters most. When all else fails, VIS won't.
So VIS is an important step toward our autonomous roadmap and also toward our human assist product line. Anyone familiar with the cost of a mine accident will know the value of such investment. There's many ways VIS can save time, money, and most importantly, save lives. Our shaping change January 2017, Anglo-American Kumba and all, is about to deploy it on all his haul truck fleet at Sishen Mine and columnar mine vehicle intervention system. Such technology will be regulated in South Africa and will become mandatory in 2 years' time. I will be here in the zone, also giving technical session, so if you have further questions, don't hesitate to grab me. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Hélio. Fantastic technology. I wish I had more time to tell you about additional exciting integrations we are doing, but just to mention a few. We are connecting our collision avoidance system with our fleet management system. We are about to embed short-term planning into our fleet management system. We are also helping customers to achieve short-term reconciliation. But you can learn more about all of this in these weeks in the zone. We have several presentations, I think 20+ presentations, and all every technology you mentioned here will be displayed at the zone. I invite you to go there. Things like our new reverse guidance technology, our new geomodeling solution, our new personal protection system is additional layer of protection for people walking into the mine. I invite you guys to see this. How we're helping customers to quickly design drill patterns, and how our colleagues at PPM are developing solutions to help you to design mining facilities, mine plants, material handling, processing, and transportation. But my time is almost up. Hexagon Mining is helping mines to be more safer, more efficient, and more productive today. But the future is even more exciting. Our solutions are already bridging the gap between short-term planning and operations. We are making analytics and business intelligence holistic and universal. Integration and automation across the entire mine value chain. We know you need a 360-degree view of your mine. We are committed to help you to realize the vision of a solid digital strategy, a digital mine. Strategy that will help you to create a mine where data flow across all the operations, where mine planning, design, fleet and production management, and optimization are all connected, and safety are all connected. Take a look at this slide. Nobody can provide a solution like that. We have more than 100 years of experience in innovation. No other company has the stack of technologies we have all the ingredients necessary to transform your digital strategy, your digital mine. It's closer than you think. We all be here, me and my team, this week, during the sessions, during the presentations, and the zone. Grab us, we are here to help you, we are here to work with you, to transform your mind, to help you to build your digital strategy. Thank you, but my time is up.